Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. And today I'd like to take you out in the lot and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Volvo XC60 T5 Drive E Premier. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. It's one of the better choices for the compact luxury crossover segment due to its generous space, appealing road manners, attractive cabin, and emphasis on safety. This Volvo has 18-inch alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Volvo is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with fog lights, rain sensing wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.0 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Volvo has front wheel drive and it's estimated the driver will receive an impressive 27 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget this Volvo only has 72,738 miles on it. At the back of the Volvo you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and rear wiper, along with the quad dual exhaust, LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob you can open the rear power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area you can see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for even more space as needed. This cargo area features a cargo cover, cargo tray, a power outlet, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice this Volvo has been very well taken care of. The passengers can use folding down center armrests for additional cup holders and storage, as well as the power outlet. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice aluminum accents. The driver will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You have a large console for storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Volvo is equipped with a locking glove box, mobile hotspot, internet access, and push button start. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, headlights, parking brake, the power liftgate, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This Volvo has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding panoramic moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia navigation features and is paired with 8 speakers. This includes your classic AM and FM radio with a CD player. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect your devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything here is easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.